Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at how to play that famous American classic, Home on the Range, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 3 twice. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 7. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Breathe in through 2. And breathe in through 8 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 7. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9. Blow into 5 3 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Breathe in through 8 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 3 twice. Blow into 5 4 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 3, and phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 4. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.